Hey creators, let me ask you a quick question. If you started your creator journey today, would your content actually survive 2026? Because trends बहुत rapidly change हो रहे हैं. Everybody is using AI. सब बहुत rigorously post कर रहे हैं. Algorithms are getting way smarter. And human attention span और छोटा होता जा रहा है. And most creators are trying to go viral by using 2023 formats in this year, which is not applicable. Hey guys, I'm Ananya, your content growth expert, and इस वीडियो में I am going to be talking about 2026 के top trends. And trust me guys, मैंने ये trends सारे deeply study किए हैं and I have grown my account from 20k followers to almost 60k followers in just less than 1 month. So let's get into it. And trend number 6 is something which is most important, and that's actually the reason कि काफी creators grow नहीं कर पा रहे. Wait. Before we begin, do not forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, and post notifications on कर लो so that you are not missing out on any tips on content creation, content growth, and 2026 trends. Trend number 1: raw content is going to outperform AI content. आजकल काफी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स अपने AI अवतार्स बना रहे हैं. दे आर यूजिंग परफेक्ट बैकग्राउंड्स, परफेक्ट कैप्शन, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. And that's exactly the problem because people these days do not connect with perfection. लोग आपकी actual personality से connect करते हैं. They want you to be raw and authentic. They want to see your imperfections so that they feel connected. They feel कि वो भी as a beginner content create करके grow कर सकते हैं and they don't need to be perfect. So yes, try to create more raw content, authentic content, low effort reels so that people can connect with you. A little shaky camera and some messy edits will not do any harm to your content. Trend number 2 is that people are going to scroll less and search more. So earlier growth was related to consuming more content. लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा content consume करते थे, Instagram पे scroll करते रहते थे, but that has changed. आजकल लोग including aspiring creators genuine question search करते हैं. They are searching for answers. Like how to grow your followers, personal brand कैसे grow करते हैं, audience कैसे build करते हैं. Make sure कि आपका content एक clear question का answer कर रहा हो. It's not confusing, it's not beating around the bush. Because अगर ऐसा होगा, people are not going to stay and then they will just simply scroll. So make sure that your hooks, your text on screen, your caption, everything is catering to one particular answer and is not confusing the audience. So randomly post करने से पहले just make sure that your content is solving these two problems. Number 1, ये किस audience के लिए है. Number 2, क्या वो audience actually ये problem face कर रही है कि नहीं. Trend number 3 is that series content will beat viral content.
Welcome to lesson 1.
Welcome to lesson 2.
This is lesson 3 of the 24 lessons I learned in 2024.
So guys, here's the harsh truth. एक या दो वायरल रील्स आपको ज्यादा ग्रोथ नहीं देंगी. They will not build your audience. You need to be continuous. Your footprint needs to be continuous. एक दो वायरल रील्स पोस्ट करने से आपको कुछ फॉलोअर्स मिल जाएंगे, थोड़ी बहुत ग्रोथ हो जाएगी. But what next? You need to start creating series-based content so that every content piece gets viral or at least gets good views. जब आपकी कोई प्रोफाइल पे आता है, they should actually feel like wow, इस कंटेंट के बाद नेक्स्ट कंटेंट क्या होगा. They should actually be curious. So instead of posting how to grow on Instagram, you can post content like day 1 of growing on Instagram, day 2 of growing on Instagram, and so on. Because guys, the truth is virality gets attention, but series will build your audience. Trend number 4 is that content creators will be hired in-house. So guys, brands are moving away from agencies and they are targeting content creators. एंड मैं यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली एस्पायरिंग क्रिएटर्स की बात कर रही हूँ, माइक्रो क्रिएटर्स की बात कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज दे आर द वंस हु आर वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट ग्रोइंग, अबाउट स्केलिंग एज अ क्रिएटर. सो गाइज, यू नीड टू क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट इन अ वे कि आपका जो इंस्टाग्राम पेज है, इट शुड लुक लाइक अ ब्रांड. एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हैवी एडिटिंग और यूजिंग वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थंबनेल्स. Your page should show clarity, consistency, and results. So that when any brand approaches you, they can actually see what you have built, what you have grown. Trend number 5 guys, which is the most important, and इसकी बात मैंने starting में भी की थी. Your Instagram profile or your content is your digital store. If you want people should click on your link in bio, आपको अपना content उतना ही powerful, strong, engaging बनाना होगा. Because almost half of your audience make up their mind to buy your digital products while watching your reels. तो अगर आपकी reels में ही वैसी clarity नहीं होगी, engagement नहीं होगी and कोई connection नहीं होगा, your audience will never click on your link in bio. That brings me to another part of this trend, start monetizing. If you're a creator, start monetizing your content, otherwise you're literally wasting your time. So start building your digital store, start listing your digital products in one place, and Super Profile is going to help you with that, because in 2026, content that doesn't convert will not scale. And lastly, trend number 6 is that attention span is now divided into 2 parts. So the point is that या तो आपका hook बहुत ही engaging हो, बहुत ही attention grabbing हो, या आपकी स्टोरी टेलिंग इतनी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए कि आपकी ऑडियंस आपका कंटेंट एंड तक देखे. सो स्टॉप चेजिंग ट्रेंड्स एंड स्टार्ट यूजिंग गुड हुक्स या गुड स्टोरी टेलिंग. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज combine the both. You can combine good hook with a deep storytelling, and guys, trust me, I have done this. This will give you amazing results. This is the future of content creation in 2026. Creating series over random content, brands over agencies, monetizing your content, raw and authentic content, search over scrolls, and lastly using hooks plus stories. So creators, start creating content on these tangents, and I'm definitely sure that you all are going to grow. So I hope that you have liked this video and subscribed to this channel, and do not forget to turn your post notifications on. अगर आप कोई trend miss कर दो फिर मुझे मत बोलना. And I will see you in my next video.